One day, your teenager will make an important decision and you won't be there in the room. You won't be there to check his phone. You won't be there to say, don't do that. You may not even know that a decision has to be made. So perhaps the question isn't, how do I make my teenager obey me? The better question is, what am I building inside my child to guide him when I'm not there? Because parenting a teenager isn't only about managing today. It's about preparing for the day they have to choose without you. That's the conversation we'll be continuing in my free parenting conversation Behind the Behavior, 29th August at 7 p.m. I would love you to join me. Registration details are there with this post.